Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my aloe vera oil. This is my fresh aloe vera. I'm going to be cutting it. I'm going to be cutting it now. I need to take this out. Very fresh aloe vera. You can also buy it in the market. I have my own at home. I'm going to be showing you how I make my aloe vera oil and aloe vera water. Okay, so this is the first step. I've sliced this already. This is for the oil. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be leaving my oil here. Don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to be leaving my olive oil. We put my olive oil. And my coconut oil, guys. I'm going to also leave my coconut oil in. You all know how coconut oil work for hair. So coconut oil inside. I'm going to be leaving aloe vera, fresh aloe vera that just sliced inside the oil. Very fresh. As we leave this as a fry, so let's go and do the water one. Okay, so guys, this is the one I'm going to be blending. I take the liquid one, so I'm going to cut it now. I'm going to also peel it. I'm going to blend it. Blending it now. ladies, let's go to the oil. Oil is ready now. So I have to hold it and let it cool before I can filter it. It's not cold. The vera oil is cold now, so let me just filter it. Guys, you can also see this. You can also use this for it, for hair as well, because I also use it as well. You don't break your hair. You can also add one of these, okay? Because I use it, you don't break hair. Yes, guys, you don't make your hair to break. It's like this. How to I have to. It did not cause dandruff. Mix it together. So let me just put it up here. That's it. See, guys. It's ready. With this is the aloe vera water. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. So I really appreciate you guys for still watching my video. I appreciate you guys. So this is the water that I just did just now. So I'm going to be washing my hair. Are you guys seeing me well? I'm going to be washing my hair. First of all, I'm going to be using it to wet my hair before I wash it. Okay, you can use it to massage your hair before washing your hair, guys. As you can see, you can use it to massage your hair. Leave it for some minutes before washing it. Okay, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please, if you are a newcomer, please like and subscribe and share as well. So this is the oil. Okay, after washing my head, now we apply this. Try this, ladies. Try it. It's very simple. Very simple and easy. So I'm going to leave it for some minutes before I will go and wash it. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Promote your girl. Okay, guys, thank you all so much. I really appreciate you guys. Bye. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.